So in this video we'll talk more problem on Pascal's law. So let me start with the question. So we are given this figure. Now there are three pistons. This is piston A, piston B and piston C. Okay. So in the piston A, the force is 150 Newton. The area is 20 centimeters square. In piston B, the area is 30 centimeters square. Now you have to note that centimeter square, so no need of conversion. Now likewise the force on piston C is given 300 Newton. So we have to find the respective thing. We have to find the area of C and we have to find the force on B. Okay, so here solution. Now if you have to write the given, I think you can write it easily. No given information, still I'm just writing a few for you. So you can write over here force on piston A. So force on piston A you can consider F1. So this is 150 Newton. Similarly area of piston A, that is consider A1 is 20 centimeters square. Now similarly area of piston B, let's consider is A2. So A2 is equals to 10 centimeters square. Likewise area of piston sorry, there's not area given. So the force on piston C, this considered is F3. So F3 is equals to 300 Newton. So we are required to find the force on piston B. F2 is equals to what? And similarly the area of piston C, that is A3, is equals to what? Now definitely we have to apply the Pascal law. Okay, now from Pascal law, so from Pascal's law, we can write P1 is equals to P2 is equals to P3, or we can write over here, so that is F1 by A1 is equals to F2 by A2 is equals to F3 by A3. That is so we have over here 150 by 20, so I can cancel 0 out of here. So we have 15 divided by 2 is equals to F2 by 10 is equals to 300 divided by A3. Now taking first and second, okay, taking first and second, we have 15 by 2 is equals to F2 divided by 10. So 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So this 5 it goes over there and get multiplied. So F2 is equals to 15 into 5, that is 75 Newton. Now likewise we have to find A3. So taking first and third, or we could have also taken second and third, because F2 we have already known the value. So anyway it's same thing. So taking first and third, F2 15 by 2 is equals to 300 divided by A3. So 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, so one more 0 over there. So A3, therefore A3 is equals to 2 2s are 4, that is 40. So what's the unit? So all they are in centimeter square, so this will be definitely in centimeter square. So this is it. We have next question over here. So again we are given similar kind of device. So the area of all is given 0.2 meters square, and we have to find the pressure on B, C and D, while the force on the piston A is 200 Newton. Okay, so how do we find the pressure on B, C and D? Okay, that's quite easy. Even if the area were not given, we will be able to find it. Okay, and the next thing, all the area are equal. Okay, so anyway let's do it. So pressure, first we can find the pressure on piston A. Pressure on piston A, so piston A will be equal to, okay, so there's given 200 Newton force is applied in the piston A. So the pressure equals to force by area. So the force is 200 Newton and the area is 0.2. so if you do the calculation, so how much do we get? So this is 200, so point, that means this will be 10 divided by 2. You know that point, it changes, one goes over there, so 2 1s are 2, that's 100. So that is 1000 Pascal. Okay, so this is the pressure that is developed on the piston. Now according to Archimedes principle, we know that according to sorry, not Archimedes, that is according to Pascal's law. Now according to Pascal's law, pressure on piston A must be equal to pressure on piston B must be equal to pressure on piston C and pressure on D. So therefore pressure on piston B is equals to on C is equals to on D, okay, I'm sorry, on D, so must be equal to 100, that must be equal to 1000 Pascal.